Effective money management is crucial for everyone, regardless of income level. Understanding how to handle finances can lead to greater stability and opportunities for growth. Many people believe that financial management is only necessary for the wealthy. But the truth is that everyone can benefit from adopting sound financial practices. The strategies employed by the top 1% of earners are not exclusive to them. They can be adapted and utilized by anyone seeking to improve their financial situation. By learning from these successful individuals, we can uncover valuable insights that can help us make informed decisions about our money. This brings us to the 15%, 65%, and 20% system, a powerful framework designed to simplify financial management and enhance your ability to save, invest, and grow your wealth. The 15%, 65%, and 20% system emphasizes the importance of budgeting, tracking expenses, and setting clear financial goals. By following this system, individuals can gain a clearer understanding of their financial landscape, enabling them to make smarter choices. The benefits of implementing the 15%, 65%, and 20% system extend beyond just managing money. It fosters a mindset of financial responsibility and empowerment. As we delve deeper into this system, we will explore how it can transform your approach to money management and lead to lasting financial success. Saving 15% of every dollar earned is a crucial practice that can significantly enhance your financial security and peace of mind. One of the primary benefits of this savings strategy is the establishment of an emergency fund, which acts as a financial safety net during unexpected situations. Having an emergency fund allows you to navigate life's uncertainties, such as medical emergencies, job loss, or urgent repairs, without derailing your financial stability. When you consistently save a portion of your income, you create a buffer that can prevent you from falling into debt or facing financial hardship during challenging times. This proactive approach not only safeguards your finances but also provides a sense of security, knowing that you are prepared for the unexpected. Additionally, building a quick access solution fund can further enhance your financial resilience. This fund should be easily accessible and separate from your regular savings, allowing you to respond swiftly to emergencies without hesitation. By prioritizing the habit of saving 15% of your earnings, you empower yourself to face unforeseen circumstances with confidence. Start today by setting aside this percentage from each paycheck, and watch how it transforms your financial landscape, providing you with the peace of mind that comes from being financially prepared. Establishing a solid emergency fund is a vital step toward achieving financial security. To begin, outline your essential monthly expenses, including housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Once you have a clear picture of these costs, set a goal to save at least 1 month's worth of essential expenses. Start by creating a dedicated savings account specifically for your emergency fund, which will help you keep these savings separate from your everyday spending. Aim to contribute a fixed amount each month until you reach your initial goal. However, it's important to recognize that saving just 1 month's worth of expenses is only the beginning. Ideally, you should strive to build your emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of core expenses. This larger cushion provides a more robust safety net, ensuring that you can maintain your lifestyle during unexpected events, such as job loss or medical emergencies. The security this fund offers during crises cannot be overstated. It allows you to focus on recovery rather than financial stress. By taking these steps to establish and grow your emergency fund, you empower yourself to face life's uncertainties with confidence, knowing that you have a financial buffer to rely on when needed. Compound interest is a powerful concept that can significantly grow your savings over time, and understanding it is essential for effective wealth building. Consider the examples of Janet and Mike. Janet starts investing $5,000 at the age of 25, contributing an additional $1,000 each year into an account that earns an average annual return of 7%. By the time she turns 65, her investment will have grown to over $1 million, thanks to the effects of compound interest. In contrast, Mike begins investing the same amount and contributes the same yearly total, but he starts at age 35. By the time he reaches 65, he will have accumulated only about $500,000. This stark difference illustrates the importance of starting to invest early. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow exponentially through compounding. Each year, the interest earned is added to the principal, and future interest is calculated on this larger amount, creating a snowball effect. By encouraging viewers to grasp the concept of compound interest, they can leverage it as a wealth-building tool. Starting early and consistently investing can lead to substantial financial growth, making it crucial to prioritize saving and investing as soon as possible. Contributing to workplace retirement plans offers numerous benefits that can significantly enhance your financial future. One of the most compelling advantages is the employer match, where employers contribute additional funds to your retirement account based on your contributions. For instance, if your employer matches 50% of your contributions up to a certain percentage, you effectively receive free money that boosts your savings. This match can substantially increase your retirement fund over time, making it essential to maximize your contributions to take full advantage of these offers. By contributing enough to receive the full match, you ensure that you are not leaving any money on the table, which can be a critical component of your overall retirement strategy. Additionally, workplace retirement plans often come with significant tax benefits. Contributions to traditional plans are typically made pre-tax, reducing your taxable income for the year, while Roth plans allow for tax-free withdrawals in retirement. This dual advantage not only helps you save more effectively, but also provides a strategic way to manage your tax liabilities. By understanding and utilizing these benefits, viewers can enhance their retirement savings and work toward a more secure financial future. Prioritizing contributions to workplace retirement plans is a smart move that pays off in the long run. Tax-advantaged accounts, such as individual savings accounts, ISAs, and Roth IRAs, play a crucial role in long-term investment strategies by offering significant tax benefits. With these accounts, your investments can grow tax-free, allowing you to maximize your returns over time. For instance, contributions to a Roth IRA are made with after-tax dollars, meaning that your money grows tax-free, and qualified withdrawals in retirement are also tax-free. Similarly, ISAs allow you to earn interest, dividends, and capital gains without incurring tax liabilities, making them an attractive option for savers and investors alike. Given these advantages, it's essential to prioritize contributions to these accounts before considering regular investments. By doing so, you can take full advantage of the tax benefits and enhance your overall investment growth. It's also important to clarify the difference in tax treatment between workplace retirement plans and personal accounts. While workplace plans, like 401(k)s, often allow for pre-tax contributions, which reduce your taxable income, withdrawals in retirement are taxed as ordinary income. In contrast, personal accounts like Roth IRAs and ISAs provide tax-free growth and withdrawals, offering a different approach to managing your tax liabilities. By understanding these distinctions, viewers can make informed decisions about their investment strategies and optimize their financial future. Investing in passive funds is an excellent strategy for those seeking simplicity and efficiency in their investment approach. Passive funds, such as index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index rather than actively selecting individual stocks. This approach offers several benefits, including lower costs and reduced management fees compared to actively managed funds. By investing in passive funds, you can gain exposure to a broad range of assets, which helps to diversify your portfolio and minimize risk. Diversification is crucial in investing, as it spreads your investments across various sectors and reducing the impact of any single investment's poor performance on your overall portfolio. Additionally, passive funds typically come with low fees, making them an attractive option for long-term investors. Lower fees mean that more of your money remains invested and working for you, which can significantly enhance your returns over time. For viewers looking to simplify their investment journey, passive funds provide an accessible and effective way to build wealth without the complexities of active trading. By focusing on diversification and taking advantage of the low fees associated with passive funds, you can create a robust investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals. The 65% rule is a valuable guideline for managing fundamental expenses, emphasizing the importance of keeping core expenses in check. According to this rule, individuals should aim to allocate no more than 65% of their income to essential living costs, such as housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. By adhering to this principle, you create a buffer that allows for savings, investments, and discretionary spending, ultimately leading to greater financial stability. One of the challenges many face is lifestyle inflation, where increased income leads to higher spending on non-essential items. To combat this, it's crucial to develop strategies that prioritize saving and investing over immediate gratification. For instance, consider setting specific savings goals or automating contributions to your savings and investment accounts as your income rises. This way, you can maintain your core expenses while ensuring that your financial future remains secure. Additionally, encourage viewers to analyze their spending habits regularly to identify areas for optimization. By tracking expenses and evaluating needs versus wants, individuals can make informed decisions that align with their financial goals. Embracing the 65% rule not only helps in managing expenses effectively, but also fosters a mindset of financial discipline, paving the way for long-term wealth accumulation and security. The 20% allocation for personal enjoyment is a crucial component of a balanced financial plan, emphasizing the importance of guilt-free spending for mental well-being. While saving and investing are essential for financial security, it's equally important to allocate a portion of your income to experiences and activities that bring joy and fulfillment. This allocation allows you to enjoy life in the present while still working toward your long-term financial goals. Investing in experiences, such as travel, hobbies, or social activities, can enhance your quality of life and create lasting memories, contributing to overall happiness and satisfaction. By consciously setting aside 20% of your income for personal enjoyment, you can indulge in these experiences without the burden of guilt, knowing that you are still prioritizing your financial future. This approach fosters a healthy relationship with money, allowing you to appreciate your hard work while maintaining a focus on savings and investments. Furthermore, this allocation does not detract from your long-term financial goals. Rather, it supports them by promoting a balanced lifestyle that encourages sustainable financial habits. By embracing the significance of the 20% allocation, viewers can cultivate a sense of fulfillment and joy, ensuring that their financial journey is as rewarding as the destination itself. In summary, the 15%, 65%, and 20% system offers a comprehensive framework for managing money effectively, drawing inspiration from the financial habits of the top 1%. By adopting this system, you can take control of your finances and work toward achieving your financial goals. A key aspect of the 15%, 65%, and 20% system is the implementation of the 15-65-20 rule, which encourages you to allocate 15% of your income to savings, limit core expenses to 65%, and dedicate 20% to personal enjoyment. This balanced approach not only fosters financial discipline, but also ensures that you can enjoy life while building wealth for the future. By managing your money like the top earners, you position yourself for long-term success and financial security. Now is the time to take action. Start by analyzing your current spending habits and make adjustments to align with the 15-65-20 rule. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results over time. If you found this information helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who could benefit from these financial tips. Together, let's empower ourselves to achieve financial freedom and create a brighter financial future.